natin, which is the A. Okay? Ang price niya is medyo talagang pwede natin yung laban. Ngayon, kanina pa ako excited kasi lumabas talagang fresh na fresh to. Actually, pinag-meetingan namin to. We came from Heritage pa together with Ron and sila Miss Tao and Juby. Nag-meeting kami for our
The other name.
Sorry naman. Okay, so nag-meetingan po natin especially yung magiging event natin. And then this one can really help us mas tumaas ang ating sales. Because this is the product that we really need. The good price, affordable price, good and good quality at the same time. So, siyempre, alam naman natin, morena, most of us, this is the real color of a Filipina. We are really particular kasi there's a lot of product in the market, especially the lighter color. Pero itong darker po, napakahirap. It is really rare maghanap ng ganitong color. Kaya excited po ako. Imagine I use this in one day, tapos dito, kahit tatlo pa, kasi 50 heads. So talagang, wow! I can really make it for 21%. Okay. So first, let us try kung paano siya, ano ang kanyang texture. The number one texture kasi,
Oh? Wow.
A little creamy siya. So yun yung texture kasi ng powder. Pagka ginanon po natin at nilagay natin mamaya kay Grace at nakaangat po siya, hindi siya maganda. Okay? So dahil nung naano ko yung texture, it is a little creamy. Pero we consider it, they call it as a powder, not dual. Magandang klase na po ito. I consider. Pag sinabi mo kasing powder, as usually, nakaangat po siya. Napansin po ninyo pag gumagamit kayo. So, we're going to use, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang gamitin with the pot. So, the usual, actually, you start from the jaw.
Haba?
Wow.
Halfway na? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Tignan natin kung mako-cover siya na powder lang siya without using ibig sabihin po, pag sinabing a little creamy, you can use on the top ng ating liquid. Pag hindi po, aalsa po siya. Napansin po ninyo, if we use our liquid foundation and then together with our powder, compact, ang nangyayari po, hindi po siya nagbubuo-buo. Hindi ba? Ang texture niya, the same pa rin. Meaning, maganda po yung texture dahil yung ating dati, maganda talaga dahil talaga naman, even the price, it is really a prestige brand. But this thing, sa tingin ko po, mas mag-text din siya, magko-coordinate siya sa liquid natin.
Walang foundation sa...
No, walang foundation. Gusto lang nating malaman kung gaano siya galing din mag-cover kahit powder lang. Of course, if you really want yung talagang magandang finish, dapat you need to conceal first and then you go for liquid and then powder out. Siyempre, yung mga
powder lang talaga yan.
very pero maganda siya. Maganda ang
Maganda pati mo.
Oo, very easy na ipahid.
Kaya dapat sponge na sa tube, hindi pwedeng brush.
Meaning, pwede siyang sponge.
Yung iba hindi pwede.
Hindi siya pwede kasi ano po ito, maalsa siya.
Wow! It's like, wow!
Believe it! Sabihin ko, kailangan lang siyempre dry kasi ng konti as in the grease. So, dapat siyempre before you put any makeup, of course, you need to clean and then you moisture. Kapag alam yung dry, you need to put a little moisture para mas maganda. So, if you use the brush, then kumakapit din po siya, hindi siya nakaisa.
Oh.
Meaning, yung mayroon pong konting creamy siya. So, pwede siyang i-consider na two-way, parang two-way. It's like a two-way compound. Yay! And then before and after, although hindi ka, syempre, hindi ganun ka-perfect. Syempre, perfect na yan dahil sa kakahalaga ninyo. Okay, so I like the color ng dark. Kasi mahirap po, rare po talaga ang ganito ka-dark sa atin. Most, ang gusto nila, maputi sila. So, maganda po yung ano ng texture. This is a very good price for a color. Then, I would try.
You find one lipstick for her,
So,
apply half.
I'm not yet familiar in colors ng ating lipstick.
Which one's suitable for her?
And we're very lucky na this coming 19, then we can already use our
Vera.
So all the models can use the Vera. So na-request na po natin. Okay, so ito wala pa as of now. So ito ang isa sa mga dapat.
Pero mascara is available as mascara? They said the address might come tomorrow.
Okay. Although we have 2, 4, 6 colors, but this is important colors that they already have is a very important, like if you have the red one together with the light red, then can mix together. May magandang texture na po yan. And then the pink, and then the dito po sa lighter color or ito.
Pink and mochi?
Oo. May mga lalabas na pong magaganda. So ito almost complete. You can mix. Parang colors or 3 colors.
Which color is suitable for her?
Well, it depends if my time. I will teach you. I'll teach you how to use like 2 color tone.
Your blouse is pink, so it should be pink.
Pero kasi as a wow. We're not yet familiar sa colors.
Did he? There's a powder, can let them try a little bit.
Yes, yes.
Can I volunteer?
Okay. Pass and then try.
Use the hand, I have it. You want to try? Don't take a lot. Pass only. Everybody stay calm,
Try. Scarlet.
Feel it, the texture.
I'm going to mix like
Is it soft? Guarantee? Soft? How do you feel?
now using the scarlet, itong parang bloody red siya. Scarlet.
Creamy? Creamy is good, right?
Mabango, it will like magda-darken yung skin, yung lips mo. Parang ano yan eh, it's more alcohol. It's like pagka yung mabango yung powder, mas madali kang magka-pimples. Tandaan niyo po yan. Pagka mas may yung amoy niya mas mabango, mas madaling dark yung lips. So this one, pag ganito po yung smell niya, number 1 po yun, protected po yung para ka pong naninigarilyo kasi meron pong ng amoy yung lipstick. Pagka bumibili po kayo, titignan niyo po. So, isa pa po yun because it is seaweed. For sure, wala po siyang kasamang lead. So, very safe tayo. So, consider pa rin siya, although it's coming from a seaweed, hindi po siya yung dito sa lupa, pero still, we consider organic plant sa sea. Okay? So, alam niyo po, yung pinakamahal ngayon, ang pangalan po niya, mako-commercial ko pa. Ang isa po sa pinakamahal, nagulat ako nung na-check nyo, seaweeds po ang ginamit nila. So nagulat ako kanina seaweeds ang ginamit. Sabi ko, this is the new discovery that if you use seaweeds, it is really very safe. So, very safe. Very safe. Kailangan ko na mabilis. Close mo na. So, pagka ginamit niyo po yung red, parang ano masyadong...
Sorry, yeah, sorry.
Okay? Ginamit ko yung red and then you put Mag-mix po siya ng mas maganda. Lalo na po